Respect isn't given, it's earned. But sometimes, no matter how kind or honest you are, people still take you for granted. Why? Because respect isn't about being nice. It's about how you carry yourself. In this video, we'll uncover 10 psychological hacks that will make people respect you instantly, without begging or changing who you are. Before we start, if you enjoy powerful tips like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Infinite Inc. Let's dive in. 1. Speak less, say more. People respect those who don't talk just to fill the silence. When you speak, make your words count. Don't rush to respond. Pauses show power. When you speak calmly and with purpose, people pay attention. 2. Set clear boundaries. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. Don't be afraid to say no without explaining too much. If someone crosses the line, call it out. Not with anger, but with firmness. Boundaries equals self-respect, and self-respect earns real respect. 3. Stop over-explaining yourself. When you explain too much, it sounds like you're asking for approval. Confident people make decisions and move forward. Let your actions speak. People trust those who trust themselves. 4. Maintain strong eye contact, looking someone in the eyes. Not staring, just calmly holding eye contact, shows confidence and tells them you're not intimidated. It's a small habit that changes how people see you. 5. Don't laugh when it's not funny. Many people laugh nervously just to fit in, but forced laughter makes you seem insecure. If something isn't funny, don't pretend. Staying neutral when everyone else is fake actually makes you look more powerful. 6. Control your reactions. When someone disrespects you or tries to provoke you, stay calm. Emotional reactions give them control, but when you stay cool under pressure, people realize they can't mess with you. That's true power. 7. Be comfortable with silence. Most people feel awkward in silence, but strong people own it. If you're not rushing to fill every gap, it shows you're not needy. You're in control of the conversation and the room. 8. Move with purpose. Don't fidget, slouch, or move too fast. Walk, sit, and gesture like you're sure of yourself. Confident body language sends a message before you say a word, and people respect what they feel even before they understand it. 9. Protect your time. Don't say yes to everything. When you value your own time, others will value it too. People respect those who know what they want and don't waste energy on things that don't matter. 10. Be the last to speak. In group settings, let others talk first. Listen carefully, then speak with clarity and strength. Being the last to speak gives your words more weight. It shows you're not trying to prove anything, and that's powerful. Respect isn't about being loud, aggressive, or fake. It's about presence, self-control, and knowing your worth. Use these 10 psychological hacks, and people will start to see you differently. Not because you forced them, but because they'll feel it naturally. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Infinite Inc. for more powerful videos on psychology, mindset, and self-mastery. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.